So we are back with round 2 of our Slime-a-thon face-off.
And this round is fruit.
Okay, so Jeannie, tell them what you're going to be doing.
I'm going to be doing juicy fruit.
And I'm going to be doing Skittles. All right, guys. So here we go. We're both going to be using clear glue this time. And if you did not watch the first round, if our slime works out, we are going to have both of them for sale on Jeannie's Etsy and as a grouping. So you can buy each of our slimes and you can review them and they will be $5. So,
let's get started!
okay guys, so we both had a very successful round this time.
Yes, very successful.
Extremely successful. So, wow, this is the best slime that I've ever made in my life.
And it's only a second. Okay, and then this is one of the best slimes I've ever made in my life, and it's like my 100th.
Okay, these are just amazing. Look at these. They're so stretchy. Not too sticky.
Not,
I mean,
it all
it's not this
hardly.
sticky. My hands have a little... So it all comes off.
And look at
And
that.
look, I love it. I love it.
Mine have fruit, yellow, green, and white foam beads. And hers has all
Oh, it
different.
smells so good. Okay, I used cotton candy scent, and it smells amazing.
I used cotton candy and banana cream.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so we're going to be putting these in the sample containers, the 2-ounce sample containers. We'll be selling them on Jeannie Slime Factory for, I think we're just going to do 2 ounce of mine and a 2 ounce of hers, and it'll be $5
For both of them, not for one.
not each, but together. And we usually put samples in, so you will most likely get some type of a freebie.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I love this. I think it's amazing. So let's put them in our containers.
And Mine Crunch is so good, guys.
I would definitely buy this. There is no question as to whether or not I would buy this. I love it.
I would definitely buy it too if I saw this. Let me feel yours.
Make sure your hands are clean.
Yeah. We're going to feel each other's now, guys,
Okay.
just to see who's really is the masterpiece.
All right, guys.
Oh, yours feels good.
Oh, yours is a little. Oh, yours is a little stretchier than mine. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Wow. Look
yours
at this.
smells so good. Who smells
Look at
better,
this.
Mom?
I think yours might smell better. I really like the banana cream.
But
that you
as
added.
a
Look at
set, these are like the best slimes you'll ever
this. Oh
buy.
my gosh, I love the texture.
Do I have something on my nose? I was gonna have something on my nose. No. And this one has fruit slices in it too, if you look closely.
And mine has, that one has a few more foam beads.
Yeah.
And this one is just definitely, if you love stretchy slimes, whoa. Whoa, this one's
This one, also if you love stretchy slimes. This is the
just not
stretchy
quite as stretchy as yours. But it's not quite as sticky as yours either. But this does not stick too bad to your hand. See, it comes off.
And if you put your hands in 1, 2, 3, doesn't stick. That's the stick test.
Oh, cool. Okay.
And then if you hold them in for a long time, it like lifts the slime off.
Okay. So let's see.
It lifts the bowl. But they aren't sticky yet.
Look.
Oh, bubble, bubble, bubble. Look at that.
Look at this. I love it. All right, guys. So comment down below which slime you think you like the best, which one you would like to have, and also you could comment what you may have done differently or what you could add to it. Wow.
And I think these are like the best slimes to buy if you don't have the supplies at home.
Exactly. But we did show you how to make them, so if you can purchase the supplies, go on and give it a try.
Smells so good. Bye, everybody.